In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to tag someone on Facebook Reel after posting. If you've already shared a Reel on Facebook and then realized you forgot to tag someone, don't worry. There are a couple of simple ways to do it, and in this video, I'll walk you through both options clearly so you can choose the one that works on your account. First, open the Facebook app and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, go to your profile. From your profile page, find and tap the Reels tab so you can view the Reels you've already posted. Then open the specific reel you want to update. After the reel opens, look for the three dots icon on the reel. Tap that to open more options. Here, you'll want to select Edit Reel or Edit Post depending on what Facebook shows on your device. The wording can vary slightly, so don't worry if it doesn't look exactly the same. The important part is that you're opening the edit option for that reel. Once you're in the editing screen, go to the caption area. In the caption, type the @ symbol followed by the person's name. As you type, Facebook should show a list of suggested profiles. Tap the correct profile from the list to create the tag properly. This is important because simply typing a name without selecting the profile may not create an actual mention. After that, tap Save to update your reel. Once saved, the person should now be tagged in the caption, assuming Facebook allows editing for that reel and the profile appears in the suggestions. Now, if you don't see an edit option or Facebook doesn't let you change the reel caption after posting, there's another method you can use. Open your reel again and tap comment. In the comment box, type the @ symbol followed by the person's name. Just like before, select their profile from the suggestions that appear. Then post the comment. This second method is useful when caption editing isn't available. While it may not place the tag directly in the original caption, it still mentions the person on the reel and can help notify them or make the connection clear for viewers. A quick tip before you finish. When tagging someone, always make sure you choose the right profile from the suggestion list, especially if multiple accounts have similar names. And that's it. That's how to tag someone on a Facebook Reel after posting, either by editing the caption or by mentioning them in a comment.